Yes, we are. No. Happy. Anyway, YouTube is being YouTube. Soon I'll help you. How's everybody doing? Usual disclaimers. Welcome, croeso i'r stream. Welcome to the stream if you are here live. And welcome to the VOD os ydych chi'n gwylio, a croeso i'r VOD os ydych chi'n gwylio fo at all. And welcome to if you're watching it after. Everybody's welcome. Thank you everybody's come to the last few. Thank you to pawb, internet working, gweithio. Yeah, should be good. Just gonna do a mic test. Probably should do that. Cool, probably even gweithio. So diolch I pawb who's come over to the Fibonacci series before, i'r Fibonacci Legacy yn gynt. Thank you, King Gymaint. Thank you so much to everybody who has downloaded my cemetery build. So I have like 35 downloads on the Sims gallery. So this household is on built a 35 download on it. Base game as usual, base game fel arfer. Everything is under either Linux Creative or Linux Cosplay on the Sims gallery, or if you type in Welsh neu sech chi'n tipio'n Cymraeg. But yeah, diolch chi'n gymaint. Thank you. I really hope you're enjoying those builds and cemeteries and add to your world and to your lore a'i byd chi a'i lore chi. So this is the ones we did. This was inspired by Llanwyn, the Exploring Llanwyn. I'm going to try and get some videos up on it. But yeah, diolch pawb, thank you so much for everything. You've obviously Plas Owen, and you've got one inspired by Shop of Plas in Llanbedrog as well. This was also a little Simsy shell build. So yeah, diolch pawb, thank you everybody. Hynna, diolch pawb hynna. There'll be individual videos, or if you're interested, I'm happy to do like a big build tour eto. But for now, we're going to do Fibonacci. So I think what the plan is, because I think aging up from teen, oedio fyny o teen I young adult, it doesn't really matter about your skills. I mean, it's a bonus, but I honestly haven't had that much time because of everything on this short lifespan. But I've managed to get, so the things I have managed to get done, like I said, because my sim is old, my sim in hen, my OG sim is old now, and it's really weird, really strange to think that it's gonna be soon having the Vian. But I managed to get Caveat Sim to have level 10 piano, guitar and everything, and write songs, so they've got all songs for that. These are two paintings that are going to be passed down from my sim to the next generation sims. I've got these ones. I've managed to get canvas paintings of most of the people except for my sim. Rhan and my sim, I've got like the little moments and stuff. Got all the photos here. Gyda lluniau gyd fama, which I need to check. No, can I add a frame to it? Set filter, admire. I can't add a frame. Oh no, you can add a frame. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I didn't gwybod hynna. I didn't know that. I'm going to be doing that out. Sorry, I'm really hynna ar ôl the stream, because my nan really cute, so that makes the world much better. So that's another part of the challenge. I've managed to try and get, you know, little moments bach. These are the kids' drawings when they were younger. This is Envis's. This is my side. Just make it a little bit more homely than we're homely. So heddiw we're going to be aging the teens up. Yr teens I fyny. So when you cael shower as hedyn, you take a quick shower because the party starts at 5. Party dechrau 5, so we can get some skills as dan isio. Or we can just get some bits and bobs done. So we can just make sure the Sims are okay for the party. I think I've done the homework, but I don't know. This is my first time doing a legacy. Trwy'n legacy. I don't know if I need to do Street Anna need a voice catcher. Like, if they're aging up, do I even need to do it? What do you need? I think Dachi and Annabeth. Oh, Kakan. We need a cake. Who has got the highest? Oh, brain. Oh my god, brain. Kirk. One cake between them is fine. My un Kakan and the Sims in the back. I don't know if I've got time to cook 2 cakes. Tika Ginyo, you can cook that. You're 8, okay-ish about cooking. I don't need. I'm also going to try and get Kurt to come so they can start doing romancy things. Dechrau legacy nesa. So skills-wise, I think do my skills in passion line. I believe skills do pass on. I don't really know. Don't really go bad if you get anything for. So I think it needs to be like level 5. What I might do is you're hungry. We are going to be cooking. So let's get you some video games. We'll just do that for now. So because we're toddlers and stuff, and things, there needs to be like certain levels and things. I think you've got level. Oh, you have 7 guitar. You should be fine for A1. You can practice just while they're in the shower. I'm just going to sort. Then they sort allan bwyd nhw allan. Just going to sort their food and shower and stuff out for the party. It starts at 5. Titi Gofenwaith, where are you? You've just finished work. Do you need to get paintings done? Yes, but we've got the party first. We'll canolbwyntio ar hwnna. Then you have a shower, you go pee, and then come down and make some food for people. It's the only thing about I kind of wish build yma had more than one. Oh, what's that noise? More than one shower. Warble. That's the only thing. More than one bathroom. Well, that in bathroom would be really good. Even like a little one here. But never mind. With 4 Sims. And a dyfodol in the future, I think by future builds, because I'm going to have 3 kids, Thai plants, I'm going to have 2 bathrooms, especially if I'm having like toddlers, os dwi'n os dwi'n cael the toddlers, infants and stuff. I'm going to have more than 1 bathroom. Even if I just get one of these skills up to level 5, just in case, while the other one's having the shower, because I can't. You just gotta like work around it. Just you can empty that a bit. I think everybody needs food. Galvan and Boyd. Some need showers. So get like the birthday ones to do a shower once. In my sim has finished. Once my sim has finished, I'll get them to take a pee. As long as the cake is done, mainly is the thing. Then I think I can age him up, and then party starts at 5, so we might just go there early. Cause I'm doing most of my parties in Plas Awen. In Plas Awen at the moment. There's also a really nice bit. So meant to others in music for 3 hours. Gyda hwnna was one of my achievements for this sim. I got sim cariad yma efo cerddoriaeth with music. I'm trying to get it to finish, but you can go into your inventory. Nobody eats it then. But there was a really nice moment when he like mentored mentored Envis. The skills go up so quickly. Who are you? Oh, Alexander Garth. invite in, because it might be, is that, can you check their thingy? Can you check their, like, thingy at all? Like, yeah, so there's a nice little moment here. It's kind of like for the lore of the story, for the lore of the story hefyd, like, do you go find a shower? Okay, so you can go shower then. A wedyn, don't do that, just it. So yeah, like I said, more than one bathroom next time. We're not in a bathroom tro nesa. Oh, please don't say to Mali, don't break. Trying to make sure everybody's ready for the party. So ti'n iawn, what do you need? Beth ti angen? Gormod o Sims. Well, you can't even need penblwydd party. Oh dear. Okay, I'm gonna gael chdi wneud bwyd ar gyfer pawb. We'll do like a meal before we go. Oh, can I get so I'm trying to get some stuff because there's some challenges to like finish the music thingy. You got fun at that music. Try and see if you know, if I can get most of their like stuff up. Not small talking. Most of the like stuff as max as I can do. A max dwi'n gallu gael. So I'm trying to finish the music aspirations. I haven't done that. I've finished the painting one. I haven't finished the music aspiration. No, don't go toilet. Put him in the toilet. Because actually, Gostad. Is there a way to check? Oh, going into Cass. But I don't want to cheat. I'm just doing the cheats. I think is there a way you can do that in thingy? Is there a way you can do that somehow? So far, just gallu neud o. Is there a way you can do this? Panad bwyd. Why is this out here? I don't know if anybody will. Well, you might not. Ti'n ella cael shower. You might not have a shower before the party. Beth ti angen? Do you need anything? Just bwyd a social. Even though you don't like too many Sims. Introvert. Very much. My Sim is very much an introvert. Introversy. Fuck's sakes, woman. No. Didn't do anything. Climatan. It's in here. Whole fire department. Well, they're not cool. Classic Sims. Had a nice little moment about mentoring no. We'll get everything ready. Cael bob dim barod. Now, there's that. Classic Sims. Classic Sims. Yeah, cool. Oh, cool. You need to go for a quick shower. Well, we will. Take a brisk shower, clean yourself up. We will go to the party when we will go to the party. My clywed do gwybod ti ofyn, but you need to can you make a quick meal i pawb? Do you know what, it's fine. I'll get my Sims to clean up and then can you just clean floor? I know it's your birthday. Do you remember there was a fire? Just do this, please. Okay, cool. fun. Well, classic Sims. Classic Sims I wneud hyn. This never happened in my other playthrough when I was playing with the gourmet foods, wneud pethau gourmet. Maybe it's the oven. Ella mae'r, beth galw? Is Herm here? Wait. Herm's here? Alexander Goth is here. Where's Herm? Okay. That has confuddled me, but never mind. Okay. But yeah, classic Sims. Very classic Sims. Are you all like tents? Is there a thing to get rid of your tents? Yes. Friendly. Small talk. Unrhyw ffordd to get rid of stuff. Can you do... No. It's not fun, just want to check your rounds before to just be like, yeah. It's gonna be fun. The way to console. Describe new event. Okay, I don't think there's a way to console, but okay. So as soon as Teen Barod. Let's just go to party. Now need mini party. We will just go to the party, it's my house. Now need mini party. This was classic Sims thing to have a fire before the birthday party. When my Sims are elderly, have it. My Sims being elderly. Oh. Classic Sims. Oh, and fun. I need to also check if Kurt is going to be here because I'm invited him to the thing. Because I want to get so the law I'm trying to do is a teenage romance rhwng y ddau between Kurt Goth and Mai. Rhwng Kurt Goth and Mai. I'm going to start setting up because I've already built like a little dwi wedi adeiladu a Welsh family starter sort of thing, type thing. I need to goffan a cynhoedr thing, but it's perfect for like 2 Sims and a kid. I got 2 Sims a plentyn. I'm going to try and cheat my way though, because I think I'm going to keep them in the house as long as possible. When I peth efo generations, I'd like them to get married while my Sims are still alive, OG Sims. So they can cael yn copriadus tra mae Sims OG fi dal fyw, while the OG Sims are still alive. And a baby, a babi hefyd, but that means I don't know if Mike can have a job. If Mike, dwi'n gwybod os mae Mike cael swydd wedyn, dyna'n di problem. So I don't know. I really don't know with that. Rhaid ni gweld. Ti ddim efo cacan pen blwydd, but I'm gonna do a... So, I don't know why, the thingies won't let you do a cake on this. I'm gadael rhoi cacan ar hein. So, be dwi'n mynd I wneud, what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna get a round table-y thing fama. I'm gonna put a little round table here. I built this as well, this is Plas Awen. I don't know if I said that shit again. I built this. So it's got everything for you know, building your sim skills, building my data skill sims here. Just want a little table, just put it back, put it like here. It looks weird, don't get me wrong. It's gonna get gone after. But so we can put birthday party stuff on there. Cael pethau pen blwydd arno fo. Because, you know, there's lots of stuff to do. It worked really well. So gweithio fama in the cafe. It worked really well last time. I did my Sims birthday party in the cafe, and a cafe fama, and I thought gweithio really dda. But I think it'd be really cute to do it outside and have everybody outside for it. So the birthday party still hasn't started. So technically, you could paint on the easel, the free easel. That's cool. Oh my god, this is a great way of making money. I can take other people's admire. And yeah, do I have to go into building and get rid of them? No. Wait. Is there a way to like put them on the wall? If I can get my career stuff done as well. Yeah, there is. Just gonna do one for now because I don't need to do all of them, but that's really cool. So, because I need to do painting for work. Because doing a painting, I go like twice. Oh. Do a confident painting. Wedyn, you're gonna invite Kirks. Dan ni'n mynd i wneud yr cynnwys llaw. We're not gonna do the candles just yet. We're gonna get how do you the hangout thing? Oh, okay, then I should do Kurt, we'll do that because they're here for the birthday party anyway. My sim, but review a piece of art, and let's go for it. We have lots of pieces of art here. Let's go to the classic one, and then you can ask and then why don't you just hang out with her for a bit? I want to get them into the lock, because last time I think they took ages to like, nope, I don't covered ages if I actually dod down. So let's just like invite the Sims into the lot. Cyn i parti ddechrau, invite the Sims in. Because Herm just stayed here. And Herm just aros yma. Wait a minute, can't you? No, didn't she adeiladu fo wrong? I haven't play tested these things. Did I build it wrong? This lot is available as Plas Awen as well. It's available as Plas Awen in the Sims gallery. Fight the don't know why you want to fight a ghost, but okay, cool, go for it. Sometimes the Sims is really hard. Sometimes the Sims game is really interesting. Ooh, thank you for Tita Dot. Tita Mama. I don't feel like what was that? Don't feel like I know you well enough to be having conversations. Okay, cool. I don't got pam this you need. I have no idea what was asked. Oh. No really diddorol. Like that. I mean, Danny Mama barod. And does that mean that all the other things are here? Come here. Where's Hugo gone? Oh, I just want to get the Sims in. Where's the rest of the Sims? Like Kurt Goth and all them. You know, did they? Oh, are they at the lot? Do you know how to do what? No. You're just coming in. I'm gonna try and find where Kurt has gone. So my Sim's there. Who's that? Do you know? Nobody there. Neb fanna. Nice and gone. Nice one's there. Who's this? Dina's here. Where's Kurt gone? Where Kurt's him in? Jim has just got here. Or maybe they're just for one. I want you to go. There we go. Loaded in. Just aan kan we dit bach bit. Mike, so I'm gonna get the romance going. We're gonna go romance there. So we're gonna do this. I don't know how you're gonna run it, but I think we're gonna try and get you know, don't complain about love life. Call over and then caveat. Hi, guilty. I'm gonna get so Herm is in the lot, my Herm in the lot one. I'm gonna get you. Planning. This is Pantifara. When you play with so many Sims, it's I do like the idea of this challenge. Do you care challenge more? I'm having just like 4 Sims tipyn bach compared I cymharu efo fel arfer like my usual playthroughs, ond it's been fun. But the Fibonacci legacy, my Fibonacci legacy basically goes 1 1 2 1 2 3 5 8 goes 1 1 2 3 5 8 13, so 5 is going to be fun and 8 is going to be fun. 13 no idea how to do it because you can only get 8 max. So bydd hynna and fun. That is yeah, that is going to be fun because teens can't flirt. Let's don't ask about though. It's like Brighton Day. Can you we'll get people to mingle first. We'll help pobl mingle gynta, ond Didi fama, come here. How? Yeah. We'll just get the few of them to socialise gynta. Share ideas. And then we will get them to age up. Cael nhw oedio yn ti am ddod? Ti wedi goffa'n peintio? Dim syniad. I have no idea why you're upstairs. Okay. Is Kurt running away from you? No, my midnight coffee. Okay. Sorry, I thought it was just gonna be Kurt running away. For some reason, I've got to rest some. How much you Anna? Oh yeah. Your teen chat, hwn. Trying to walk into this one. Oh, I thought so anyway. Let's grab you dear, then come here. Everybody is around the cake. Oh, who's that? Hold on. I don't know who I invited. You're an adult, you're not a teen.
So.
Ibara? Wig tau.
What are you doing? Fail Tionid.
Ibara!
Okay, that's not what I asked you to do. Dyma nes I gofyn I chdi neud. You're gonna come here. Okay, cool. Let's just cywio hyn I fyny. Make a wish. Blow out candles. Wedyn chdi. Gonna get you to do dod fama. And celebrate. Chdi dod fama. A dathlu hefyd. You can come here and celebrate.
Oh, nay. Arbor
Okay. Teen dod one. Why are you scared again? Dychryn.
I'm shinny muska.
Oh, maybe up.
Ooh, the scooper.
Yes!
Oh, okay, mae plan work. There's plan fi gweithio. There's a lot of pobl. A lot of pobl. Can't you blow your candles out? Did
Yalmo.
Yep. Febine be boast.
Ensenoi me pin.
Yibs. Oh, yes.
Nusa!
you gonna age up? Didn't come into ages.
Oh.
No way. No, no. There you go.
Hersenoi.
Oh no, are you gonna look like as an adult? Okay. So Bertie, what have they got? They've got genius. Okay. No, don't say it's Scariot's time. Not the birthday party, please. Don't have a death at the birthday party. Jealous. Okay. Randomize. Oh, tearful. Okay, we're not cute. I think we have got knowledge. We did this. Best in creativity. We'll do this one. And I think we'll do computer whiz because we've done that a different bach anyway. Okay, they don't change much to a young adult. It's almost Carrier's time. Make the most. No. No. Leave out a pen boy. Please don't do this at the birthday party. Okay, I'm gonna try and get pictures. I want to know how you can get pictures of everyone. So far I cael lluniau o bob dim. Like, everybody in a party. So before I cael llun o pawb mewn party. Birthday corks. I really don't want a death at the birthday party. Why is the Sims going from like normal? My Sims yn mynd o normal I more chaotic. Why does it go from that to so chaotic? Don't die now. Come on. Then they go into adult, and I don't think. No, I don't think. OG Sims aren't going to make it to the birthday. Don't do that. I want you to put the birthday cake. It's going to do anyway. And my next lluniau, I'm going to take photos of everybody. Oh wait, hold on. Before you do that, can I just take a photo? Let me just clean up how? No. That work. Didn't look like the tough luck. Can have cake in a second. Can you just take a photo? Because most of the Sims are in one spot. No. You've ruined it. Play teaming. Excuse me. Come back. Do you know? I'm gonna celebrate. Because it's your twin's birthday. Oh, Maya and Pemberley twin one. Make a wish. And blow out candles. Yeah, I don't know why. I thought there was more of a neu fatha change, newid rhwng tîn yn Ionadol, so obviously not.
Oh.
Excuse me. Yeah, there you go. Oh, can! Oh, actually, mine really cute. I really want a photo. Oh, this is really cute. Photo there. Can I get a photo? Where's him? No! It's bad angle. Why is it literally like so chaotic? What on earth is Herm's? I don't know what Sim is doing in the background. We're going to leave it with that for now. Pause it. I'm going to get you to take another photo. Because I've cael llun arall when everybody's sort of like sefyll yn iawn, standing and not being chaotic. I will happily have that. Off stream I'm going to yeah, everybody's not in a good position at all. Okay, cool. We're not gonna. Stand still, people. Okay, so Envis has got a bro music lover. We're gonna randomize. Foodie! Okay, then that works very well. We have got it's music level we've got at the moment. No. There might have been. Where's that gone? Oh, 1 second. Why can't we do music? Best-selling author. Okay. Dan, mae gallu cael? We were so close to finishing the music one for her. You knew that. Wait. This one I can change anyway. I guess we'll do food for now. But I am going to change it to... Music is boots to skills when they're inspired. Yeah, we'll do that. And then we'll just... I'm pretty sure... Iliad, 1 second. I am pretty sure I could... I was on the music one. I was only more agos. I was so close to getting that for her as well. Creativity. Yeah. No, I can finish that for her. Okay. And sorry, the chaotic. A lot chaotic. State. Well, what I'm gonna do. Eliminate you. No, you're not happy. Man, I've been happiest. But we take a photo. Actually, let's do a cult meal. Can't to pop them out. I want to try and get photos of everybody. Why is this like laid back but also like very chaotic? Don't.
Slarfa! Taro!
Staba.
Fiorba!
I'm gonna eat up.
Yumo!
And then I want you to take a photo. Don't grab Kakan. You can grab cake in a bit. You're on photo duties because I need photos of everyone. Well, I need to try. Take photo, and I want to Diana and Carl take a photo with. I don't know. Can you get the stand? I want to take a photo with you, and we will. I think we got. Right. I told you can eat after. No, that sounds very threatening. Come here. Did Mama come here? Because it's like Kurt is even there. Come on. Oh, why is it? Pan mor anodd I cael llun? Why is it so hard to get a photo? I want a nice photo. You can have a photo with cariad after. I want so mainly the point of having photos for the legacy. I go at a legacy. And I just want you, before everybody goes away. Come on. No, everybody's gone. It's fine, don't worry. Ruin, grab your cael cacan chdi. Where's your cake gone? Is there even a slice left? No, there's not even a slice left. Cowboy, grab something to eat. What's that doing? And then, can we ask out Kurt? Wait, brain. Betianan, what do you need first, actually? Why are you going for Pete? I don't understand this with Sims. Like, if they got clear needs, it's one of the needs I've been running and need. I don't understand why they don't just go for stuff. I think you do this. Did you not get ours? Do you seem to cael cacan bywyd na though? Nope, you didn't even get cake. Oh, so you're not in school anymore. Okay, so that makes sense that the thingy did not make sense for me to grab. We're gonna try romance. Can I flirt with him now? Can I flirt with him now? Sound like a stalker. Yeah, I can. Sweet. We will ask if single. Ask for romantic interests. No. Then ask. No. That's what we'll do. Nominate. And then you can just do what Beth Panad show, whatever you want. I don't really care right now because ti angen cysgu a ti angen bwyd. Grab a quick meal. That's what I kind of like about this lot. My lot man handy because I can just grab like quick stuff. Where is Jim? Where's Jim? Where was Jim? Did Jim come to the thing? Did we get Jim to arrive here? Or a young adult? Or no? Wait a minute. I thought we got him here. Okay, don't know. Too many people. Not a pobl. We're just gonna skim through what the pub made. Okay, man. I just need you to start flirting. Because I don't think fires will be started anyway. Dim TV. Not my house, I don't really care. Okay. I want you to flirt. We should go back if you can date them. Because if not, we're going to have to start somebody else with a legacy going, but that's probably not have to go a legacy. We already had a team date. Come on. You can have food later. Can you put it in? Oh, I don't want to know. I want to know.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Come on. Come on. No, don't. Don't. I want to know if he's single for you. I feel like a matchmaker. Do a matchmaker now. Come on. Can you start the legacy? Might need to start making babies.
Mimblin Sabricia.
Neebs, Alcha.
Why is Sims like this? Pan mae Sims o hyn.
Clark.
Weithiau.
Beaks.
Hmm.
Dewch.
Okay. Why are you tense? Iceland. Woohoo interest. Okay.
What's that,
I
dude?
might actually get my sim to retire.
Ah, Bombadoy.
Masamu Yaran. Dunkalaka.
I'll just chat at the clerk. Someone to talk to clerk.
Oh.
Neebs proud blaffa.
No.
Son of Viola? Oh, she'll be around.
Okay, woohoo interest. Do you want maybe?
Off a tub for Mose.
I wish one of you're single. I don't know if we can do the next legacy birthday. I already knows.
Arthanaya.
Yes, he's single. Sweet. Maybe not panting thing will hint. Maybe not when you're feeling like this. We'll do a date. I think we'll schedule a date. I think it's maybe time to go home. You mean that? We've aged them up. Then you're doing a very chaotically. No, sorry. Well, you can come back because we'll make food for everybody. No need bwyd pawb. But so I know now next time there's no real point in needing Sasha to do the homework before it originates from teen to young adult. We'll head them home. And I think we'll be doing dates. Date night. That's cool. You wanna chat? Tiana and siarad. Ond, I think we all need to go home. A dwi yna'n figure allan. Ti ddim efo, you have not got long left. Oh. When's my sim? How long have you got left? That was a very chaotic birthday party, non-chaotic. Penblwydd, party Penblwydd chaotic. Of course we would have a fire before. Of course, ni'n cael tan again. Not doing the. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this manually. Save game. Cool. The platform one is working really well. It's a lot though. I think I'll need to like majiggle some things around. But we're getting somewhere with the legacy. Mae'n teimlo really rhyfedd that only a few weeks ago, only a couple of weeks ago, we were starting the legacy. We were aging them up to things. I mean, time flies by. Time really flies by. The next one, I don't know how chaotic 3 kids is going to be. When's my tree plant on board, or how I'm going to do it, because I'm going to have to think about it, because like I want to get one before the OG Sims die, because I think like all together really cute. I don't know how to get a picture all together. Gwybod cael llun I gyd gyda'i gilydd though. An only problem. That is the only problem. And then do I do, cause the next one has to be 3. I've got fod in 3. So do I do one is a young adult, one baby, then wait till that one's a child, because more manual, lots of manual, get another child, and wait till that one's a child, again, age up, and stagger it. I don't know if mine can work then. I don't know how we can save money for the next generation then. It's a lot to think about actually. Mae'n a lot I fewn I it's a lot that goes into legacies. Mae'n a lot yn mynd fewn I legacies. Mae'n a lot yn mynd fewn I legacy, but I think I've prepped everything for tro nesa. I think I've prepped everything for the next bit, which is that my Sims has got all this stuff they're going to pass down. So the paintings, y lluniau, the paintings, photos, darluniadau, lluniau, and the writing songs. I think the songs might pass down. I'm hoping the songs pass down to the next ones. Dwi'n gobeithio anyway, I'm hoping anyway. And then I don't know what I'm going to do for the third legacy what's going to be passed down. Might have to just see yn gobeithio. I can show you the house that I have done for the next gen. I have built the house ready for Mai and Kurt. Os mae bod yn gobeithio. If everything works out, I have done the house. So this one I will be putting up on the gallery as well. Like everything will be up with Bob the Meta Gallery, Dan Lynette Creative, like did in Gins. I took inspiration from two, like in this place called Efel Newydd, where there's lots of like in North Wales, and actually Efel Newydd in North Wales. There's lots of little houses, and I've made it to look like a kind of like a row of cottages. This is a start for 2 people and a baby. Mae hwn yn start ar gyfer pobl a babi. Everything is mostly in it, and there's lots of places to expand as well. I think I might have thought about this too much. Dwi'n meddwl amdano fo'n gormod. I'm not going to do a full build tour. I'm just going to show you because it is legacy. And then, yeah, it feels weird that it's nearly coming to an end. Bron yn dod I diwedd. So yeah, this is the little build. So I made it to look like a row that I two ago, like 1-2 houses together, but inside it's actually quite modern. So you got living room, gegin, kitchen, bathroom, kids bedroom, and adult bedroom, and then you can expand this way. Just got to be a plan, and 2 bathrooms, 2 bathroom to and you can put like kids stuff in the back then. But obviously I've just done that for now, just like a one. But yeah, that is that. Dewch I pawb yn Lord, thank you everyone for coming. Like I said, everything's on Sims Gallery and Lynette Creative. The rest of the numbers for the Fibonacci are on the playlist. I am going to try and upload videos. I'm going to trio fyny with the videos, ond nath o cymryd 2 awr I fyny with 7 munud, y fideo 7 munud dwi'n dod blaen, so mae'n cymryd a spell. It took for a 7-minute video to be uploaded, it took 2 hours the other day, so dwi'n meddwl ffilm ma fydd ni'n mynd yn dyfodol, and I will try and do a little bit like that. I'm going to try and get my Sims to max out their careers as well. So yeah, diolch pawb am dod. Thank you so much for everybody who's downloaded stuff in the gallery. I really hope you're having use of the buildings. That's the whole point. It's meant to be a base game everybody can enjoy, so it's aesthetic and lore. Let me know if there's anything you can change in them, or how you're using it. Dach chi'n defnyddio fo. There'll be videos on that in dyfodol. Fel arfer, thank you everybody for your comments. Just gwylio, diolch pawb am gwylio. Diolch yn pawb sydd wedi gwylio'n fyw, if you viewed it live. And on the VOD and stuff, I will be able to eventually upload properly to YouTube. But for now, it's very much nearly in the end of the first legacy. I'm going to have to prep for the second. Mae'n dod bron diwedd o'r cenhedlaeth gyntaf, a fyddwn ni'n prepio ar gyfer y ail. Ond diolch pawb yn ddod, a bydd cadw tra lle bynnag da chi. Thank you so much for coming, and keep safe wherever you are.